Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on OKX. And first of all, what we need to do is we need to create an account. And if you don't have any idea how to do this, make sure that you check out a previous video of mine where I show you exactly how to create an account on OKX. And after that, step 2 is you need to verify your account. If you don't have any idea how to do that too, make sure that you check also a previous video of mine where I helped you out exactly with the things that you need to do. So make sure that you check those two, and after that we can start trading. Because from now we go here to the trade option and we select right here spot and margin. Then he will send us to this chart right here, and this is the place where the magic happens. So right now, first of all, what we need to do is we search here for a crypto that we want to buy. So let's do, for example, right now, Solana to USD. Click on it, and right now we have the chart here from Solana to USD. So now we have the currency that we want to trade in, and now what we're gonna do is go a little bit down, and this is the place where you can create your market order. So the first thing that we need to do is step here with a price. So let's say the price right now is 87.17, so this is fine. You can select here a market order or limit order, what you want, and then we can decide here how much Solana we want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 1 Solana. Then right now, you see right here the total amount that we will buy. And then from now, if you want to create a take profit or a stop loss, you can click right here on the TP and SL and then fill right in here on this place a take profit. And a take profit means that when he will hit that price range, he will take the profit, so he will close the trade. And if you do this for a stop loss, that means that if the price goes down, he will close the trade. So let's say at $80, something like that. So when he will hit $80, he will close the trade and he will stop our losses. So decide if you want to do that. For now, it's not necessary. And then after that, we click here on buy Solana. You see this message right here, and then we click on confirm. And right now I don't have any balance on my account, but if you have, then he will buy it immediately. You can also do this for sell, and sell means short. The buy option is a long term. So decide what you want to do, but this is how you can trade right here on OKX. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.